Hey, what's up everybody? It's JTA, Josh with Tech Addiction. And here I have the iPhone X, iPhone X. What's up everybody? And I got the iPhone X. So, it just says iPhone on it. Okay. So the thing here is, it's been a minute and I've been trying to get a hold of this bad boy. And so I finally got it. So, it's going to be the iPhone X unboxing. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen plenty of iPhone X unboxings, but I'm going to still unbox it. So let's get to it. Boom. So there was no plastic wrapping on mine because I had already had it open at the store and the person set it up and had to set it up for unlock universal whatever. So yeah, and I'll take the pamphlet out. First off, mine does have a screen protector already on it, so I have been using this bad boy, and I'll have a review in comparison to the Galaxy Note 10. But here's the little pamphlets. Look at that, telling you how to use it, the new swipes, gestures. I'm sorry you guys, I still don't you know, I'm not gonna give my opinion in this video. This is an unboxing. So you have your SIM ejection tool thingy. Where are my Apple stickers? They must be still in the box. Let's see. Yep, boom, Apple stickers. Do something with those. I realized I never use my Apple stickers, and that's it. Designed Apple in California, by Apple in California. And here's the iPhone. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, 256 gigabyte, baby. Bite. Ooh, it already has the fingerprints on it. Hold on, let me wipe it off so y'all can see it look real good. Be careful wiping that glass too, because you do not want to start making scratches, which, wow, I already have made a scratch or a zig. You see that line? Wow. But this looks very good. Can it rotate or what? Alright, but anyways, that's the iPhone X, baby. Very heavy. The gestures, you can get used to them, but do I want to get used to them? I don't know. But here we have the headphones. So we have the headphones, lightning headphones, with the adapter in the back, audio to lightning. Okay, we have the brick, 5 watt. Did it change the wattage? Nope, still 5. And then we have the cable in the inside, which looks small. Like it looks like they cut down on the length. I don't know, but it's nicely presented in the box. As you guys can see, they got rid of that a long time ago, the little plastic that went around the headphones, just to save on the earth and be greener, in the midst of, you know, making millions of iPhones that end up in a landfill somewhere or somebody's basement. But there you go. iPhone X unboxing. Boom. Until next time, see you guys in the next video. It's been JTA, Josh with Tech Addiction. Peace.